Music producers. This is an era where you have to do more than create good music. We are part-time internet gurus. Our role extends into the realm of digital advertising. Having the right resources makes the difference. Let's look at some of my favorite places online that help producers be at their best. Futureproducers.com is a cool place to share songs, projects, anything music related. The first time I did sound treatment, I picked up some great techniques by visiting their studio design acoustics page. Feedback on songs is given and usually expected in return. Just be ready to offer some value. Sometimes I'll visit the collaboration and opportunities page. You can connect with musicians worldwide. There's a growing EDM community on Future Producers. And if you stick around long enough, you'll be introduced to niche groups in every genre. Forums are fountains of information. In this case, Future Producers is like the fountain of youth for musicians. Gearslutz.com, arguably the most prolific music forum ever. The community focuses on audio engineering, but there's plenty about music production and podcasting. Gearslutz has a marketplace where you can buy and sell music equipment. Let's say you're unfamiliar with a piece of gear. A community member may have already left a review on the website. The Rap Plus Hip Hop Engineering and Production page has great discussions about culture and musical trends. You'll probably find some serious arguments too. If you have an idea, you can bring it here and engage with other hip hop minds. I made my account back in 2011. It's one of the more progressive decisions I've made in my career as a music producer. Gearslutz offers a wealth of industry information. CD Baby provides digital music distribution, as well as other helpful audio services. DIY Musician is their official blog. It's updated with information specifically for independent artists. Read up on everything from promo tips to industry news. I like that the writers on this blog are also active in the music industry. Their articles relate to my experience, even when the writer's musical background is in another genre. Subscribing to the DIY Musician newsletter is easy. You'll receive exclusive offers from CD Baby, as well as guidance for your career. God forbid you hit a creative rut, or you struggling with some marketing. In that case though, DIY Musician may have just what you need to get the ball back rolling. If you haven't heard of Fiverr already, that's all good, because that makes today a milestone. Fiverr is an online platform that connects independent artists with other independent artists. Users offer their skills and services at a rate that could amount to only $5. Some services are listed at a higher price, but the overall idea here is to be affordable. Communication is crucial on Fiverr. The better business relationship you have with your freelancer, the more satisfied everybody is with the results. If you're a music producer and a singer-songwriter, you can offer your writing and audio services on Fiverr too. This isn't an instant bag, but if done thoroughly, it'll bring a couple more clients. I've used Fiverr to help me create visual content. I found freelancers on Fiverr who were experts at digital marketing. At one point, I made a little money on Fiverr as a freelance mixing engineer and graphic designer. You could do it too. This platform is great for when you're ready to handle some business. Every producer loves free sounds. Here's a website with sound kits you can download for free $99. You'll find quality packs organized and ready to add to your library. I've used a few of these in my own production. You can never have too many effects in your digital production bag. Check out the Bedroom Producers blog. They have free VST plugins for Windows and Mac. You'll find reverb, compressors, EQ, filters. You name it! God damn it! The fact that we have access to so much right now as creators is unprecedented. Let's keep the conversation going. What has been your experience with any of the websites we visited? Are there other helpful music sites you have bookmarked already? Drop one in the comments. Stay inspired. Peace.